Hello guys again and welcome back to another unboxing, reviewing and testing. And today I have this Parkside Fastening clips and cable ties. 630 pieces included at this box. Used for interior mounting and securing, for door panels, door panel clips, bumper clips, interior accessories and splash guard mounts. It is suitable for most common cars at the market. 620 fastening clips in 16 different sizes, 10 cable ties in 2 different lengths, with a storage box. Well, let's open to see what we have inside and find out more about these fastening and cable ties. And of course inside we're gonna find out the manual. If you want to read this, your choice, but stay with me, we're gonna find out all about this product. Nice case. Everything included at this box with a handle, Parkside logo. We've got 3 clips from here and another 3 clips from here. It is 3 separate compartments. 1, 2, and 3. So many included inside. And of course we've got the cable ties, 10 of these. We've got 2 different sizes, 5 and 5. They lock at the hole and then you can just secure this and secure whatever cables you've got, tubes at the car, so many things, electric cables, whatever you want. Now let's see one by one. We've got 16 different sizes. One is this. This, it goes at the hole, and then we've got this Phillips plastic screw. Screw it and it will stay there, very secure. One is this, next is that. This goes at the hole and then just press that and it will lock. Next we've got this, and again this, it goes at the hole, and with this plastic screw, screw it very well, and as you're screwing it goes tighter and definitely it will be very secure. Phillips screw, this is the second. We've got this huge, and again that goes at the hole, then press that and it will lock. Let's go here. This is I think smaller than that. The same goes at the hole, just press that and it locks. Next is that, it goes at the hole, Phillips here, and it locks. Next, same, goes at the hole, press and locks. This is smaller, goes at the hole here again, and then with this screw you can even press it or you can screw it. Next again with a screw, plastic screw, goes at the hole, and as much you are screwing it will be tighter at the hole and it will stay there. Different dimensions, the same thing. It is the same perspective, goes at the hole, that, and then you need to use that. As much you're pressing it locks. This is with screw, goes at the hole, Phillips screw, There are so many parts, different sizes for many models at the market. Same in that. Screw that. This is bigger, you can see. And that is the last one. And it locks. Nice. And one example is installing at my front bumper one of these clips. Installation, it is very quick. And is holding very well my bumper, as we can see. And there we've got the 16 different pieces, one by one, different dimensions for different type of cars. And you know how it goes, guys. Every time you want to disassemble, let's say, a door panel, you need to remove the door panel clips and reinstall the new one. Because as you are removing, let's say, the door panel, these are going to break and you need to replace them all. Or the bumper, or any interior accessories. And the price, it is so low, they cost all that 630 pieces only 12 euros. Well, if you like to fixing stuff at your car by yourself, I think this is a great opportunity. Just buy it, have it at your basement, and at the right time you can use it and just fix many things at your car. Well guys, that was all about. Thank you again for watching. Please subscribe to my YouTube channel. It takes only 1 second. Press the subscribe button, done. Share this video, you never know who may need it. And hit the notification bell because more videos in the future are coming and you don't want to miss it. Have a nice and lovely day. Bye bye.